taking the racing world by storm. Jackie Stewart, Ayrton Senna, Michael Schumacher, Sebastian Vettel. These are some of the most famous names in Formula One. Soon, Lyubov Andreeva, a young woman from Almaty, Kazakhstan, may be one of them. Lyubov was 9 years old when she stepped into a racing kart for the first time. By the age of 11, she was ready to compete, and she won second place in her very first race. It was an amazing achievement for a first-time racer, and it was clear from the start that Lyubov was special. From then on, Lyubov practiced whenever she could, and she went on to win the Kazakhstan Karting Championship 4 times. Due to her talent, she was invited to participate in the Russian Masters Championship, a competition for 15 to 19-year-olds that helps their transition from karting to formula racing. Lyubov was not only the first Kazakh girl, but the first person in the history of Kazakhstan to take part in this event. The following year, she raced in the Formula 3 Championship. It was a special competition for Lyubov because the final race took place during the same week as her 18th birthday, on a real Formula 1 circuit at Sochi in Russia. Lyubov's goal is to win the Formula 1 World Championship one day and put Kazakhstan in the spotlight. This is a huge ambition, considering no woman has ever won the World Championship, or even a Formula 1 race. But that doesn't bother Lyubov. Do you find Lyubov inspiring? What other sports people also inspire you?